Show us how fast you can really type. Okay. Type racer. I'm gonna mess it up because I'm gonna mess it up since I'm doing it live. Okay. I'm gonna mess it up. Fine. You're gonna see how fast I can type. But I just already know I'm gonna mess it up. Okay. 3, 2, 1. See, I'm good. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Done. Did I win? See? I killed these idiots. I killed these idiots. And people say that I can't type correctly. I typed 97.8% accuracy at 126. Dude, people telling me I can't type. Look at that. That's proof. Thank you, X-Ray. I think it was crashing. Was God sending you a message that Fortnite is not acceptable? Well, you're probably right.